To reinstall the condensate pump into a 200 max, first start by connecting the spade terminals from the harness of the condensate pump to the harness, relay, and capacitor of the dehumidifier. Once the wires are connected, you can start by securing one portion of the wiring harness with the zip tie. Next, slide the condensate pump into the unit, making certain that the drain hose is in place. Next, attach the condensate hose discharge line to the condensate pump and reinstall the hose clamp to the discharge line. Once the two hoses are in place, next, secure the rest of the wiring harness with zip ties. And finally, reinstall the condensate pump bracket to the base of the unit. And then retighten the 5/16 inch screws.